Listen. For some constants a and b, find the derivative of x minus a into x minus b. So if this is taken as y, okay, then what is dy by dx? Am I audible? Guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is dy by dx here? D by dx of x minus a into x minus b. So how to find the derivatives? X minus a into d by dx of x minus b plus x minus b into d by dx of x minus a. So x minus a into derivative of x minus b is 1 plus x minus b into derivative of x minus a is 1. So x minus a plus x minus b will be equal to 2x minus a minus b. So what rule did I apply? First function, second function. So I applied
Product rule.
product rule. Okay. So this is one way, right? Let's try to do it in another way and see. See, if you don't want to apply product rule, then I told you we did a similar kind of a problem. X minus a
Can
into x minus.
simplify first.
So write it as x square minus of, that's right, a plus b into x plus ab is equal to y. So what is dy by dx? It will be 2x minus of a plus b into 1 plus derivative of ab is 0. So 2x minus a minus b. It's still the same, right? So when you differentiate it in either of the ways, you will get the same output. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ax square plus b the whole square solution. So what can we do? If I take this as y, okay, listen to me carefully. If I take ax plus b as capital X square, then can we apply chain rule to it? Because the function inside is not x raised to the power 2. Rather, it is some linear function raised to the power 2. See, yesterday we did problems like this, right? Sin x square means, you remember what we did? How did we do sin x square? How did we differentiate it? It is 2 sin x into derivative of sin x. That is, if I take the function f of x to the power n as y, then dy by dx is nothing but n into f of x to the power n minus 1 into f dash of x. Accepted? Do you guys remember this? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yeah, good. So here, what will be the value of dy by dx? It will be 2 into f of x is right as it is raised to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1, into f dash of x. What is f dash of x? That is 2ax. See, if anyone is not able to understand, ask. It is 4ax into ax square plus b. What is the answer then? It will be 4a square x cube plus 4abx. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Now I have a question. Suppose you didn't get this idea. Okay, suppose you didn't get this idea. What is the alternate way to solve this?
Without chain rule, sir.
Yeah, without chain rule.
We split it into two parts, sir. Ax square plus b into x square plus b, and
Okay,
differentiate
that,
both using product.
that also can be done. Or you can just expand the square. It is a square x power 4 plus b square plus 2ab x square. You can do this also. Right? Then what is dy by dx? It is a square into 4x cube plus derivative of b square is 0 plus 2ab into derivative of x square is 2x.
Wait.
So it is 4a square x cube plus 4ab into x. If I take so look at the answers. No, they both are matching. Right? So it's up to you. But I suggest you to practice chain rule more. So 4a square x cube plus 4abx. This is the answer. Okay. Next, if I take this as y, then what is dy by
1
dx?
minute, could you show the previous question?
Sure.
Thanks, sir. Thank you.
Done. So dy by dx is equal to x minus b into d by dx of x minus a minus x minus a into d by dx of x minus b, the whole divided by x minus b the whole square. So this will be x minus b into derivative of x minus a is 1 minus of x minus a into derivative of x minus b is 1, the whole divided by x minus b the whole square. So x and x will get cancelled. Minus b plus a divided by x minus b the whole square, that is a minus b Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Find the derivative of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a for some constant a. So y is equal to x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. What is dy by dx? It is x minus a into n into x power n minus 1 minus, did you understand why I directly wrote it? Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by x minus a the whole square. So n into x power n minus an into x power n minus 1 minus x power n plus a power n the whole divided by x minus a the whole square. So if I take out x power n outside, it will be n minus 1 minus an x power n minus 1 plus a power n the whole divided by x minus a the whole square. Oh, can someone check the answer and tell me what is the answer? What is given at the back?
So yes, sir, the same answer.
Same, right? Okay then. I'm proceeding to the next one. Find the derivative of 2x minus 3 by 4. Directly tell me. It is 2. For this one, what is the answer? If y is equal to 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 into x minus 1, what is dy by dx? 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 into derivative of x minus 1 is 1 plus x minus 1 into derivative of 5x cube plus 3x plus 1 is 15x square plus 3. So it will be 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 plus 15x cube plus 3x minus 15x square minus 3. It will be 20x cube plus 6x minus 15x square minus 4. Proven, what's the answer?
Checking, sir.
Check.
Yes, sir, same answer.
Okay. Next question. So x power minus 3 plus 5 into 3x. Sorry, x power minus 3 into 5 plus 3x. So dy by dx is equal to x power minus 3 into derivative of 5 plus 3x is 3 plus 5 plus 3x into minus 3 into x power minus 4. So 3 into x power minus 3 minus 15 into x power minus 4 minus 9 into x power minus 3. So minus 6x power minus 3 minus 15 x power minus 4, or you can write the answer as minus 6 by x cube minus 15 by x power 4. Next, x power 5 into 3 minus 6x power minus 9. So what is dy by dx?
So I have a doubt in the previous question, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So and the answer behind it given minus 3 by x power 4 into 5 plus 2x is the answer.
Tell me again.
Minus 3 by x power 4 into 5 plus 2x.
They have given it like this.
Yes, sir.
Both are right only, no? Expand this and see. minus 15 by x power 4
We have
minus.
x cube as denominator in one side, sir.
So whenever the power is highest, you will take the highest power outside. See, for example, I understand what you're asking. X cube plus 15x power 4 means generally we take out x cube common. So 1
Yes,
plus
sir.
15x. Whereas if you have the same x cube in the denominator, then you will take the highest power as common because it is x power minus 4. Minus 4 is smaller than minus 3. 1 by x power 4, if I take out, then what will happen? Here I need to compensate with x and here I need to compensate with 15. That is the meaning.
So it's like we're multiplying and dividing by x, sir.
Yeah, that's it. No, that's the thing. See, here itself I can do and show. See, for example, they've just simplified and written it, nothing else. Both are same. If I take out 1 by x power 4, if you observe, 15 and 6 are multiple of 3.
Yes, sir.
So what I can do is I can, if I take, what is the LCM of both 15 and 6? What is going to be the LCM? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll take out 1 by x. I'll take 1 by x minus 1 by x power 4 outside. Then I will have 15 plus 6x. Accepted? They both are same. Okay. So now what I will do is I'll take out 3 common. If I take out 3 common, minus 3 by x power 4 into 5 plus 2x. And you're saying this is answer.
Understood. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So let's try the next one, guys. See, I'll suggest you a better method for this. Can you tell me, do you want to use chain rule?
Yes, sir.
I mean, sorry, do you want to use product rule? Is there a better method in which we can solve?
You can
just
use chain rule.
Just multiply x power 5 inside and first make it a simpler function. No? 3x power 5 minus 6x power minus 4. Now you differentiate, it will be easy for you. That's the answer. So 15x power 4 minus 24 by x power 5.
So I think it should be plus 24, sir. Since you're bringing minus 4 as quotient.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. It is plus 24 into x power minus 5. Now it's fine. Right. Or you apply chain rule also, you're going to get the same answer. Only difference is you will multiply the whole thing at the end. That's the difference. But it's, I'm sorry again, it's not chain rule. It is product rule. Right. So these two, fifth one, I'm leaving it to you. I'll do the sixth one. Y is equal to 2 by x plus 1 minus x square by 3x minus 1. So what is dy by dx? D by dx of 2 by x plus 1 minus d by dx of by x square by 3x minus 1. Did you understand what I did?
We use subtraction.
Yes. So how to solve this? So
then we take quotient rule separately for each, sir.
Yes, you take quotient rule for each. So x plus 1 into derivative of 2 is 0. Minus 2 into derivative of x plus 1 is 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. Minus 3x minus 1 into derivative of x square is 2x minus x square into derivative of 3x is 3 the whole divided by 3x minus 1 the whole square. So that will be x plus 1 minus 2 divided by x plus 1 the whole square minus 6x square minus 2x minus 3x square by 3x minus 1 the whole square. X minus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square minus 3x square minus 2x divided by 3x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, you can actually leave it like this. No need to take LCM. Rohan, what is the answer?
Minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole square minus x into 3x minus 2 by 3x minus 1 the whole square. The numerator is wrong in one side, sir.
Just a minute. So minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole square, right? Yes, I made a mistake because x plus 1 multiplied with 0.
Will be 0, sir.
Yeah, I missed it. So minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole square minus 3x square minus 2x by 3x minus 1 the whole square. This is fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Find the derivative of cos x. This we have already, from the first principle, this I have already proved. Find the derivative of the following function, sin x into cos x. So what is dy by dx? Sin x
into derivative of cos x
minus cos x into derivative of sin x.
sin x.
Correct? So sin x into, what is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. Minus cos x into derivative of sin x is cos x.
Cos x.
So minus sin square x minus cos square x. How much is this? Minus of 1. Why did I write minus 1? Because I take out minus, it will be cos square x plus sin square x. So minus of cos square x plus sin square x is minus 1. I hope it is clear. But let me check once. Wait. Sorry, it is plus, no? So minus sin square x plus cos square x. It is cos 2x. Is it clear? So cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. Right? Any idea how we can deal this in an alternate way? So here I applied what rule? I applied product rule.
Product.
Is there a way where we can solve the same problem using chain rule? For that, what we can do is, if y is equal to sin x into cos x, see what I'm going to do is, wherever sine of a coefficient into cos of the same coefficient is there, you can multiply and divide it with 2, then half into, what is 2 sin x cos x plus? Sin
2x.
2x. Then dy by dx will be equal to half into d by dx of sin 2x. Accepted?
Yes, sir.
So that will be half into, what is the derivative of sin 2x? It is cos 2x into You understood why it is cos 2x, right? Because derivative of sine is cos. Cos of the same angle 2x into d by dx of this angle, that is 2x.
2.
So
The
cos
cos
2x
2x,
by
sir.
2 into 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will still get the answer as cos 2x. This and this are the same. Okay. So whenever you have trigonometry involved, you can actually do it in multiple ways. Right? So derivative of secant x. So derivative of secant x is secant x tan x. We know this because secant x can be written as 1 by cos x, and then you can proceed. Yes. Let's do this problem. Solution. Y is equal to 5 secant x plus 4 cos x. Then what is dy by dx? 5 into derivative of secant x plus 4 into derivative of cos x. So dy by dx is equal to 5 into derivative of secant x is secant x tan x plus 4 into derivative of cos x is how much?
Minus sin.
Minus sin x. So 5 secant x tan x minus 4 sin x is the answer.
So I have a doubt, sir. Not related to question, but in this chapter.
Yeah, yeah.
Do we have like second order derivative also, sir, in this chapter?
Just yeah, you do have. Let me check if it is there or removed. So it's not a big deal. Okay. So whether it is there or not, I will teach you because it's not tough at all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Cosecant x is y. Then dy by dx is how much? Minus cosecant x cot x. All these things I have already derived. That is why I'm directly writing it. I've given you the idea also. Cosecant x can be written as 1 by sin x and then apply quotient rule. You will get it. Right? Next. Y is equal to 3 cot x plus 5 cosecant x. What is dy by dx? 3 times cot x is how much?
Minus
Minus
cos x square.
plus 5 into cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x. So minus 3 cosecant square x minus 5 cosecant x cot x. Next. So derivative of 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 7. Five into d by dx of sin x. minus 6 into d by dx of cos x plus derivative of 7 is 0. So 5 into derivative of sin x is cos x. Minus 6 into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So 5 cos x plus 6 sin x is the value of dy by x. Okay. So if this is y, then what is dy by dx for this question? Two into derivative of tan x minus 7 into derivative of secant x. So 2 into, what is the derivative of tan x? Secant square x. Minus 7 into derivative of secant x is secant x tan x. So 2 secant x into secant x minus 7 tan x is the answer. We are done.
This one.
So we are done with 13.2 also. Actually, this chapter is over, right? We need to work on miscellaneous part alone. That will start. So there are 40 questions, right? Let's see. Find the derivative of f from the first principle where f is given by this value. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3 by x minus 2. What is the expected answer? What is f dash of x? X minus 2 into 2 plus 2x plus 3 the whole divided by x minus 2 the whole square. I applied quotient rule. So 2x minus 4 plus 2x plus 3 by x minus 2 the whole square. That is 4x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 the whole square. This is what is expected. Okay, let's see if we are getting the same using the first principle. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x the whole divided by h. Right. So limit h tends to 0. What is f of x plus h? 2 into x plus h plus 3 minus 2x plus 3 the whole divided by, oh sorry, wait. Guys, am I clear? So in the function, wherever x is there, I substituted x plus h and then I solved. Right. So now I'm going to take, let's think of a simpler method to solve this. It is going to be big one. We have to take LCM and then solve. So let's take LCM and then solve. So 2x plus 2h plus 3 into x minus 2 minus of 2x plus 3 into x minus 2 plus h divided by x minus 2 into x plus h minus 2 into h. Four x minus 4x 2x square. Did you understand what I did? I took LCM, I just cross multiplied, divided by the products of the denominators. So 2x square minus 4x plus 2xh minus 4h plus 3x minus 6 minus of 2x square minus 4x plus 2xh plus 3x minus 6 plus 3h, the whole divided by x minus 2 into x plus h minus 2 into h. So what all will get cancelled? So what all terms will get cancelled? 2x square, 2x square gone. 4x, 4x, 2xh, 2xh, 3x, 3x, 6, 6. So what is that you are left out with? Limit h tends to 0 minus h divided by h into x minus 2 into x plus h minus 2. So h and h will get cancelled. I think I did some mistake. Wait. So when we substitute limit h tends to 0, denominator is for sure x minus 2 the whole square. I missed something. Wait. 2x square minus 4x plus 2xh. So 2x square and 2x square are gone, 4x and 4x are gone, 2xh is gone, 3x and 3x is gone, minus 6 minus 6. I made a mistake here. It's right. So minus 2x minus. Wait. Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So f dash of x is x minus 2 into 2 minus of 2x plus 3 into 1, the whole divided by x minus 2. Yes, it's right. So 2x minus 4 minus 2x minus 3 by x minus 2 the whole square. This minus 7 by x minus 2 the whole square. Yes, I got it. See, it is minus 4h here and minus 3h. It is minus 7h here. So now if I substitute the limit, what will I get?
It's minus 7 by
7.
x minus 2 the whole square, sir.
So that's the answer. That's right. So previous calculation I did it wrong. So what we did is right using the first principle. Is everyone clear with what I did? Anybody wants any clarification? Any of the steps is not clear? Okay. So shall I proceed? So second one also they want us to find using the first principle. So limit h tends to 0. So formula I'll write it here. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x the whole divided by h. F of x plus h is x plus h plus 1 by x plus h minus x plus 1 by x the whole divided by h. So what will get cancelled? X and x are gone. So if you take LCM, limit h tends to 0, hx plus h square plus 1 divided by x plus h minus 1 divided by x the whole divided by h. Right? So limit h tends to 0, hx square plus h square x plus x minus h the whole divided by x into x plus h into h. So x and x will get cancelled. So what is common in the numerator, guys? H x square plus hx minus 1, the whole divided by h into x plus h. H and h will get cancelled. So when I substitute h tends to 0 here, what will be the answer? X square minus 1 divided by x square. That will be 1 minus 1 by x square. That's the answer.
Could you go up a bit?
Sorry?
Could you scroll up a bit?
Right? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Find the derivative from the first principles for the function f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Solution. Limit h tends to 0. Sin of x plus h plus cos of x plus h minus sin x plus cos x the whole divided by h. Because this is f of x plus h minus this is f of x by h. Right? So now how do we do? So can I write it as sin of x plus h minus sin x plus cos of x plus h minus cos x the whole divided by h. So sin of x plus h minus sin x is how much? Two cos of x plus h plus x the whole divided by 2 into sin of h by 2 plus.
Could you explain this step?
See, it is sin c minus sin d.
Okay, so we use that formula, sir.
Yeah, I
Trigonometric
use the formula.
Okay, sir, I
Yeah, 2
understood.
cos of c plus d by 2. I'll write it for reference. C minus d by 2. That's what I applied. Okay. Similarly, what is cos c minus cos d? It is minus 2 sine of c plus d by 2 sine of c minus d by 2. Right? So what will I get here? Minus 2 sine of 2x plus h by 2 into sine of h by 2 the whole divided by h. Right? Now see. Limit h tends to 0. What is common in both? 2 sine h by 2 I can take out common. This h I am combining it with the sine h by 2 into what is left out? Cos of 2x plus h by 2 minus sine of 2x plus h by 2. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So when you substitute the limit, this doesn't have a problem, and here also there is no issue because when you substitute h tends to 0, what is it you're left out with in this one?
Cos x, sir.
Cos x. In this one, what is it you're left out with?
Sin x.
Sin x. So I have to handle this. Sin h by 2 is there. What should be in the denominator then?
H by 2.
H by 2.
Divide it with 2 and multiply with 2 so that this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Limit h tends to 0, sin h by 2 by h by 2 is how much? 1. Correct? When I substitute it here, it will be cos x. When I
Cos x
substitute
minus
h
sin
tends
x.
to 0, that's the answer, no? We know that. Because derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is sin x. Are you clear? And most importantly, see, one point I would like to stress here is this year I am not sure how much you guys have practiced trigonometry. Don't ignore it. Next year it is going to be a lot of applications. You need to be having all the formulae in your hand. Ensure you're practicing trigonometry equally. Okay. Shall I proceed or you're copying?
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
No. So let's look at the next function. This is f of x. So here also they want us to prove using the first principle, that is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h, that is x plus h into sine of x plus h minus x sin x the whole divided by h. So I split x and h each term to sine of x plus h. Now I will take these two terms. What is common in both? What is common in both?
Sin x.
This no, it is x that is common. X into sine of x plus h minus sine x plus this one I will write it separately. H into sine of x plus h here by h means what I'm doing is I'm splitting the denominator to two terms and one term. Okay, so that here h will get cancelled. So when I substitute the limit here, I don't have an issue, right?
Yes.
So limit h tends to 0, x into sine of x plus h is what? 2 cos of x, 2x. It is 2 cos of 2x plus h by 2 into sine of h by 2. Okay. So limit h tends to 0, x into, see what I'm going to do. I'll combine the sine h by 2 with this h. Into, what is it I'm left out with? X into cos of 2x plus h divided by 2. Plus limit h tends to 0, sine of x plus h. So here what should I ensure? I need
Divide
to
by
have
2, sir.
divide by 2 and multiply with 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. H tends to 0, sin h by 2 will be 1. X into cos x plus substituting limit, it will be sin x. Do you understand what I did? I substituted the limit to each term. Done.
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed to the next one?
Yes, sir.
See, f of x is equal to sine 2x, right? So f of x is sine 2x means what is f dash of x? 2 cos 2x. I directly wrote it. Why? We have done this kind of a problem. Derivative of sine cos, write the same angle cos 2x into d by dx of 2x.
2 times cos 2x.
Right? What are they? We need to find the derivative of cot x. So are they asking using the first principle or just like that? Derivative of cot x is known minus cosecant square x. You guys know how to find it. Cos x by sin x, apply quotient rule. Okay. So let's do example number 22. The solution is find the derivative of x power 5 minus cos x by sin x. What are we supposed to do there? Can you directly tell me? Sin x into denominator into derivative of numerator, that is 5x power 4 plus sin x. Why did I write plus sin x? Because there is a minus here and the derivative of cos x is also
Minus sin x. So
minus sin x. So I wrote it as plus minus numerator, that is x power 5 minus cos x into derivative of sin x, that is cos x, the whole divided by sin x the whole square. So it is 5x power 4 sin x plus sin square x minus x power 5 cos x plus cos square x. So sin square x plus cos square x is 1. 5x power 4 sin x minus x power 5 cos x plus 1, the whole divided by sin square x. Right? Is that clear?
yes, sir.
So this is the logic. Copy it. Right? We'll do one last problem and then we can wind up. So what is the derivative of x plus cos x by tan x? It is tan x into derivative of x plus cos x is 1 minus sin x plus x plus cos x into derivative of tan x is secant square x, the whole divided by tan square x. So it is tan x minus sin x into tan x is, okay, we'll leave it as sin x into tan x plus x secant square x plus cosecant x into secant square x is secant x. So this is the final answer. Can you check and tell me? So x secant square x plus secant x plus tan x minus sin x into tan x. So how did they leave? See, then why I'm asking you to check this because trigonometry can be left out in many ways.
Put 1 minus sin x into tan x minus x plus cos x
1 minus.
sin x into tan x.
Okay.
1 minus sin x in brackets, sir.
1 minus sin x in bracket. Okay. Plus
Then
secant
tan
x
x minus x plus cos x in brackets, sir.
Repeat it. 1 minus
Minus
sin. Okay.
x plus cos x in brackets
Okay.
into secant square x
Okay.
by tan x. Tan x the whole square. No, whole, sir.
Oh, wait. First of all, I made a mistake. I left the denominator. I'm sorry. By tan square x. Now see, if I split tan x to each term, tan x by tan square x is 1 by tan x minus sin x by tan x plus x secant square x by tan square x plus secant x by tan square x. So 1 minus sin x, the whole divided by tan x. Okay. If I take LCM, it will be tan x by tan square x plus, if I take out secant x from here, it is x secant x plus 1, the whole divided by tan square x. Is this the way they have given? Is this right? See, the final answer is right actually, but I'm not sure of the way they have given it in the textbook.
So it's given in this thing for the secant x1, in the right hand side given secant square x into x plus cos x.
Okay, what they have done is they have taken out secant square x, that's it. If I take out secant square outside, then what is going to happen? Here you will be left out with x, accepted, plus
Yes, sir.
here secant x by secant square x will come, which is nothing but 1 by secant x, which is cos x.
Okay, sir. Now I understand. Then it's correct, sir.
Okay.
Actually, sir, in between it's a negative sign, sir. Minus is given.
Minus. Oh, again, I did the same mistake. Yeah. No, I made a mistake. There is a minus here. Now it is fine. Because when you do the quotient rule, you do minus, right? I took it as plus. Now it's fine, right?
Yes, sir. Now it's fine.
That's good. Okay. So that's all for today. Remaining problems we'll do it in the next class and we'll complete it. Okay. Just wait for a minute.